Welcome to another ASSA ABLOY Expert Talk around digitalization and access management. Today, my colleague Richard, hi Richard.
Hi Olympia.
And I are going to talk about what's ahead of us regarding sustainability. Now Richard, we all know that we have a responsibility to reduce our emissions wherever this is possible.
Sustainability is becoming such an important part of everybody's lives, and that's also true when it comes to building and access management.
That's exactly why we are members as ASSA ABLOY to the World Green Building Council.
I think we have been for several years.
That's exactly true. Should we start?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's start focusing on sustainability in our buildings. In building management, sustainability can mean much more than just reducing emissions. Let me highlight 3 recent trends and factors. First, we see the trend of growing emphasis on energy-efficient access control solutions as part of corporate sustainability goals. Another trend is the shift towards wireless and mobile-enabled access control, reducing the need for physical infrastructure and enhancing flexibility. A third trend is the regulatory environment in Europe. As from 2030, all new buildings shall carry a declaration on the whole life carbon of the building, which means how much CO2 emissions were emitted to build it from the materials till the energy that is required to operate it. The same will be required even from renovated buildings a couple of years later. To tackle this, believe it or not, digital can be the key to sustainability, also in access solution products. We at ASSA ABLOY have understood this and provide a wide range of digital access solutions that contribute to our customer sustainability goals. Our digital access solutions can improve sustainability performance and efficiency at every stage of the building cycle, from specifications to installation, usage, and finally maintenance. Let's take a look at each phase in detail. During the specification phase, we listen to our customers about their needs and how we can contribute to their sustainability goals or their green specification requirements. Very often, the challenge is a lack of understanding on how a product could help our customers contribute to a green building certification. We have compiled detailed contribution sheets that outline the product specifications and provide a clear overview of how each of our products can contribute to a specific green building certification. Another central aspect is environmental product declarations, the so-called EPDs. EPDs show practically the ingredients of our products, and they provide transparency about their environmental impact. EPDs can also help customers earn additional points that are, as you know, necessary for green building certifications. Let's look at a customer case where we help to save energy and achieve green building certifications for a commercial building in Gdańsk in Poland. The property developer Taurus had the goal to gain the highest level of LEED certification. For this, they wanted to find a security partner with experience, supporting with green certification and specification. That's where we came into play with our Aperio battery-powered locks, which only wake up when a credential is presented. They have been specified and installed, and they help to save energy in the daily use of the building.
During the installation phase, our digital access solutions support sustainability goals by being simpler and faster to install and requiring fewer materials. Alongside energy and material savings, digital solutions can also reduce costs. For example, installing wireless locks eliminates the need for cabling and additional refurbishment around the door. Many wireless solutions need little to no drilling for mounting and setup, saving energy and time. And because of the ease of installation, wireless solutions result in fewer journeys to site for installation teams. One practical example of this is Plexcell. Plexcell is a new flexible workspace aiming to be a base for East London's innovation community. The office space has been fitted with Aperio battery-powered locks connected to the building access management system. The wireless locking offered a cost-effective solution that did not require any cabling. Using the product contributes much to energy savings. Digital wireless locks are a good solution from a sustainability perspective because they sit in idle mode when not being used and so use less energy than wired products. And we also have locks that require no energy source at all. Our Pulse and eClick Spark product ranges use innovative, self-powered energy harvesting technology that enables doors to function without any external power. It's not just about the digital lock. The choice of credentials can also contribute to better energy efficiency. Mobile credentials reduce the need for physical cards and keys. We see that demand for mobile credentials is growing quickly, and we're working on enablers to make this even more convenient, such as wallet support in smartphones. Let's look at how this works in practice. As a premium member of Green Building Council Denmark, the developer of Esbjerg's new A Place 2 housing complex sought efficient access control to complement a contemporary style and sustainability ethos. Energy harvesting technology provided the answer. Now our Pulse key-operated electronic cylinders with energy harvesting technology secure more than 300 apartments at A Place 2. For the usage phase, we at ASSA ABLOY are researching different technologies to improve our sustainability. For example, using enhanced battery characteristics, like recycled and longer-lasting batteries, as well as leveraging different power sources.
The maintenance phase also offers interesting sustainability opportunities. As simple as it sounds, a common challenge with high maintenance is key handling. For digital solutions, it can be frequent battery changes. Imagine the effort if you would need to change a battery every quarter of the year. Knowing about this challenge, we at ASSA ABLOY have worked hard to provide a solution via our products. For example, these battery-powered keys last up to 10 years. These electronic door locks can work approximately 2 years without changing the standard battery. Another challenge is the need for an expert for product inspections. That means effort and costs. ASSA ABLOY Access solutions are designed for durability and reliability, which minimizes ongoing maintenance and the need for a physical inspection by an expert. This electronic cylinder model has a maintenance sequence of 200,000 cycles. Just imagine using your door 200,000 times. And then, we've heard before a lot about wire-free, which is also a topic when it comes to maintenance. In general, we can say that wire-free operation also means simpler maintenance checks, with no need for an electrical specialist. Let's look at another example. How did low maintenance convince the Vejle Friskole in Denmark to move to digital access? The security management spent 5 hours a week just on maintenance and key handling. Due to digitalizing access, their weekly key management time went from 5 hours to 5 minutes. Mechanical keys have been replaced by an ASSA ABLOY access control system. Now, approximately 250 students, teachers, and parents each carry their own key fob, programmed to open only permitted doors. So, Richard, it is evident that digital access solutions can definitely contribute to the sustainability of the building, right?
Especially ASSA ABLOY solutions.
Exactly that. Now, we support you to save effort, energy, materials, and carbon emissions throughout the whole life cycle, from specifications to the maintenance of the product.
And we know that investing in buildings and digital access solutions is long-term. And at ASSA ABLOY, we ensure our customers can go digital with confidence, with sustainability at the core.